Ever wondered how people find those viral TikTok templates? Let me show you how you can find, use, and post your video the right way possible. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to the search bar. So here you have to search for TikTok templates and you will see a lot of results like this way. So you just have to tap on any video that looks good to you, and inside the video you will notice an option that says CapCut, try this template. So this feature is a collaboration between TikTok and CapCut. So when you go for it, you will find this option, use template in CapCut. Now if you don't have CapCut installed, it will redirect you to the App Store to download CapCut. So when you install it, then open it. So now inside the CapCut, the first thing you have to log in with your account. So if you don't have an account, you can log in using your TikTok account, and then you have to enter your birth date and allow the things or skip any extra prompts. Now on the home screen, right next to the edit button, you will find this templates option. So here you will see all the trending templates that you can use. Now tap use templates, then select the photos or videos you want to add. Once selected, tap next, and CapCut will take a few seconds to load and process the video. And when everything looks good, just hit on export and you can either save it to your device or share directly to TikTok. And I will choose share to TikTok, and as you can see, it exports perfectly. And now just post your video like normal. And see, it's look amazing. That's how you can use trending TikTok templates directly through CapCut. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.